fantastic. Pot garden, you save money, grow your own nutrition, have your own beauty. I just love it. I've tried it all over, even in the country, but imagine in the city. You could be your own farmer. More power to the people. Be your own farmer in Manhattan today. All them old folks out there in Manhattan, Kansas, they're just gonna love this technique. Imagine 1 wheat, 1 barley, 1 pot. All this grape flour, look at the bud. Pretty much holds all the minerals known to mankind, including gold. So when your roots are digging deep down into these clay pots, they've got so many minerals baked deep inside the clay that basically you can grow anything. High vibration food. The food grown from a clay pot is awesome, fully nutrient, and you don't have to panic. It's fully organic. Oh yeah, all this high vibration, highfalutin food coming out of these pots. It's just one fine meal after another. Just perks my veins, gets my blood pumping. Just strong as a little bull ox from eating like this. Just a full vegan diet.